back to another episode of Fishing with Kyle. Today it's going to be more of like a daily vlog, fishing vlog, I guess you could say. We're out here at the rural pond here, as you guys can see. Let's get into it. It's like 6:30 or 7 in the morning. It's close, somewhere close to that. So we got out here early so that it wouldn't get too hot. The summer heat's really bad, but yeah. So we'll get into it and stay to the end because there's a really cool. Not stay to the end. No. All right. See you. Bye. This video is gonna be a little bit different than normal, but it's our new puppy. Jake, how you feel about it?
So glad we got one. I'm very excited. He's so calm.
What's his name, Jake?
Bolt, because he's got a lightning bolt on his chest, like the pattern.
Yeah, he's calm. And his fur.
Oh, his eyes are
his
so
fur
pretty.
is so soft. Here comes him. You can show the viewers.
His eyes are so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Yep. Well, that's our new puppy. We got him. He's what? 6 weeks now.
6 weeks
He's
old.
6 weeks old. He's 6 weeks old now, and he's part what? We
don't really know.
We're not 100% sure, but we think he has some Australian Shepherd in him. But he looks like he has a little bit of lab. If you know,
doesn't look like
if you can tell, if you are a pet expert or anything, just let us know in the comments down below what you think he looks like, because he looks like he has a lot of different stuff in him. But he's a little he's gonna be a little ball of joy. And so I think that's about it. Anything else to say about it?
Nope. I'm just so glad we got one.
Alrighty, well.
See ya.
We'll see you guys at home. Let me see. Yeah, bye. Boomer is in favor of Bolt because he is already wanting to play.
Bolt likes him too.
Yeah, Bolt likes him too. He's wagging his tail.
Hey, buddy.
Drooling.
Remember you were
Drooling.
Okay. Go outside.
Look at these two. Look at this little one. He is having a ball out here. There's Boomer. Come on. Let's one side. Come on. I know it's hot. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good boy. All right. Let's go inside. Hubby's like, oh, that's much better. Whew. All right. All right, you guys. So I didn't upload Monday. I'm sorry, I forgot about it. I didn't edit either. We were doing stuff. We were busy doing stuff. But so here's some more clips of Bolt because I didn't really put a lot in there. Here's some more clips of him just as a 6-week-old puppy. Today is Wednesday. Then so the next Wednesday after we get him. And here he is. He's just chilling right by his kennel. As you can see, we built a little staircase so that he could climb in there and sleep on his own when he wanted to. And he's just taking them. Guys, I forgot to mention, the puppy food we're using is just this pedigree puppy growth and protection chicken and vegetable flavor. He seems to like it a lot, actually. Hey, buddy. He seems to like it a lot. Oh, and he also likes to bite your fingers and and your knuckles and your toes too. And sit down. Nope. I know. is on a mission. Where you going, buddy? Where you going, buddy, dude? Over to his food bowl. Nope, decided not to go there. What are you doing, dude? He smells the food inside it. Oh, he's thirsty. Well, that includes this portion. And if anything funny happens or anything that I think you guys should see, it'll be upcoming. Peace out. Okay, guys, I got him to play with his toy. He's playing with his toy. He's finally trying to eat on it. He's finally trying to chew on it. It took me a minute, but I got it to. I got him to eat on it and chew on it, and
I didn't do that.
there he goes. See? Here he goes. There he goes. There you go. I'm just kind of twitching it. Alrighty, see you guys later. Whoosh.